Today's news headline is Unlawful Deportation of Rohingya Refugees by Indian Authorities. Details of the news. On 8 May 2025, Indian authorities allegedly deported 43 Rohingya refugees including women, children and elderly individuals by abandoning them in international waters near the Myanmar border. This occurred despite assurances made by Indian Solicitor General to the Supreme Court that any deportation would follow legal procedure. The incident involved refugees detained in New Delhi, many of whom were registered with the UN High Commissioner for Refugees (UNHCR). According to testimonies and a petition prepared for Indian Supreme Court, the group included cancer patients, minors as young as 15 years old, and elderly people up to 66 years old. Refugees were reportedly flown to Port Blair, blindfolded and restrained, before being placed on naval vessels and left at the sea. Survivors said they were misled into believing they would be sent to Indonesia only to find themselves forced toward Myanmar's shores. Myanmar has long refused to accept returning Rohingyas who are considered stateless and remain at severe risk of persecution and violence. Allegations of abuse include sexual assault, forced family separations, and prolonged detention without legal process or food. Some refugees, including students at the National Institute of Open Schooling in Delhi, escaped captures and remained in hiding. During the 6 to 7 May crackdown, 69 Rohingyas were detained in Delhi under the pretext of biometric data collection and sent to detention centers. India is not a signatory to the 1951 Refugee Convention, and the Rohingyas are treated as illegal immigrants under the Foreigners Act of 1946. Despite their UNHCR registration card, they are excluded from legal protection, and India's use of the Foreigners Act has led to arbitrary detention and deportation. Human rights advocates argue that these actions violate the principle of non-refoulement under customary international law and the UN Convention Against Torture, to which India is a signatory. The UN and the rights groups continue to raise concerns about the Rohingyas' extreme vulnerability in Myanmar, where hundreds of thousands of Rohingya remained under oppressive military rule. Legal advocates in India are now calling for the immediate return of the deported refugees and end to the unlawful deportation.